So this morning on the 15th of May, I put on my Windows 11 computer. There's a problem with Windows update, the latest update. And then you see a stop code APC index mismatch. APC index mismatch on Windows 11. How do I solve this problem? Your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. So it tried to reboot itself. This was a Windows update. This update was even yesterday on the 14th of May 2002. So it's trying to reboot. Hope it solves itself. Windows. Oh, it ran to step up problem again. Your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. You are just collecting some error information and then we'll restart for you. The same error code. APC index mismatch. This is Windows 11. Let's see if it will correct itself. It rebooted into a recovery mode. How do I solve this problem? It looks like Windows hasn't loaded correctly. How do I solve this? Restart your PC by clicking restart my PC, or I should restart my PC. It has done restart for a long time. For 2 more times, it didn't solve the problem. So how do I solve it? See advanced repair modes. I think that's the best one to go to, because all it tried to do was to restart. So I turn off my PC. What do I do from there? Continue to Windows 11. This is what it tried to do. It didn't work. So I don't have any USB device and where I've stored Windows to recovery. So I go to troubleshoot. Do I want to reset this PC? Let me go for advanced options. Repair. I remember that I did an update. An update I did on the 13th of May brought this. So let me go to this uninstall update. Uninstall the latest quality update. Uninstall the latest feature update. I think it was a quality update. That's the first one. So I'll take the first one first. Uninstall the latest quality update. What's this? Recovery key ID. Also this. I'm going to skip this device, skip this drive, and then uninstall the quality update. Uninstall the quality update. When it does an update, most of the time it has to do a reboot after installing an update, Microsoft updates. So I want to turn off the PC and restart it and see. I don't know why it's doing that, because normally when it does an update, it needs to reboot. So continue, exit and continue might not deinstall the update. So let me turn off my PC first. Oh, so that worked and it rebooted after uninstalling, telling it to uninstall the latest update. But it might be registered in my firewall or antivirus. I use Sophos. I'm a registered member, so subscribed member, so I use Sophos Home. This is Windows 11. So I go down here. So I click, and then I see an important update. Important update for Windows 11 users. What's happening? After some time, it tells me, so uninstalling the important update, not the feature update, but the update, the other update told me that I should. You say read more. What's happening here? So this is my Sophos Home. I have a premium, so something should be logged in here. Refresh. It says that an important update for Windows 11 users. Okay. So restart computer to update to the latest version. Earlier when I put it on, it said Sophos was working hard to refix the situation. So I'll restart it and I'll see what is going on. Hold on for a while. So my Windows 11 desktop has rebooted, and when I went to Sophos, it told me that I should restart it for an update, because Sophos first told me they were going to update the system. The most important thing was to uninstall the previous update from Microsoft. I think that was on Tuesday or Wednesday of the 13th or the 12th of May. Normally we have Microsoft updates on the second week of the month. So probably everything is sorted now, because Sophos might have updated the system. This article applies to Windows 11 users with May 2022 update installed. If you are not running the Windows 11, you do not need to take action. Other versions of Windows not affected. So what is important is to go to Start, Control Panel, Programs and Features, view the installed updates. That's at the left side. Look for this knowledge base, this KB 5413943, and uninstall it, and that will solve that problem. And that's how to solve that blue screen issue. Once a while, Microsoft releases some updates that can conflict with their own systems. And a good system like Sophos Home is able to capture some of these errors and problems and then help us to solve it. So that's what happened here. So if you look for that particular update and you normally uninstall it, it helps in normal. This is not the enterprise version, so for individuals like us, uninstalling the update kind of like works in the system. If it tries to uninstall itself like it did earlier on 2-3 times, it will send you back to go to troubleshoot and then follow the steps, not to restart it but to uninstall updates. Normally when it updates, you know what it updated. Uninstall it and probably the system should restart. I've never had a problem with my Windows 11 and